to be making a tutorial on how I did these stickers as freebies for my customers. Just a big disclaimer before we get started, I did not draw these stickers. These are from kaylamakes.com, except for one of them I found a long time ago on Pinterest. It was like a free download or something like that, so I'll try to look for that if I can, but it was so long ago. But the other stickers, such as the Dunkin' Donuts and the Starbucks, are from kaylamakes.com. She's the one who draws them and uploads them, so I just wanted to throw that out there. I will have her info linked down below, so you can go ahead and grab the files. But if you're coming from the Facebook group, hey, comment down below if you're from Facebook or TikTok or wherever you came from, or how did you find my channel. But anyways, I don't want to keep rambling, so if you want to learn how to make the stickers, keep watching. Alright guys, let's get into the supplies that you're going to need to go ahead and make your stickers. So I do have a die cutting machine. I have the Cricut Air Explorer 2. And for that, of course, I have the mat that I'm going to need and the weeding tool, and my scraper tool. So that's like what you need with your die cutting machine in order to make these stickers. And of course, handy dandy design space. But apart from that, you are going to need some sticker paper. So this is the sticker paper I'm currently using. It's by the brand Online Labels. It comes with 100 sheets. I have the matte ones. I haven't tried the glossy ones, or they have so many. They even have like clear ones now. I'm gonna try those and review them for you guys like later on. I still need to purchase them. And then I have the Avery Self-Adhesive laminating sheets, which these you do not require a laminator because they're self-adhesive, so you just put the laminating sheet on yourself. Of course, you need to cut it to the correct size yourself, which is kind of crappy, but I mean, these work great as well. So both of these things I purchased on Amazon, and I will try to find them and link them below for you guys. But of course, what you're going to need to make the stickers, the number one thing besides sticker paper, is a printer. So this is my baby. It is the HP OfficeJet Pro 8025. Okay, there's a whole backstory on this. I was supposed to get the Epson one, the one that everybody has that turns into sublimation, but I couldn't find it. It was like in the middle of when Cricut was popping the most, which was like the summertime, and it was gone, and I really needed a printer because I wanted to make freebies and stuff like that for my customers, and obviously to print out their shipping labels and all that, because I don't have a thermal printer right now because we're not there yet. But this one was like the best other one that I could find, and it was a really affordable. I don't remember how much it was, but I know it was way less than the Epson, so I ended up picking this one. I haven't had any issues. I did see some people say that they have this printer and it's kind of streaky. I remember when I got it, it was streaky too. So what I did was I changed the quality on like the printer settings itself. And then I also changed it on my preferences on my computer. So you might want to do that. Make sure that you're printing on best quality and then add bleed, just to get like the highest quality possible. Or I've even seen people print on the photo setting, because it prints so much more higher quality. I do that with my printable vinyl. So my printable vinyl, I'll just show you guys really quick, is by this brand right here. I can make a whole different video on printable vinyl, how it works, is it better than layering, preferences, whatever, if you guys want me to. So go ahead and comment below and I'll totally do that for you guys. I did kind of make like a TikTok on it, but it was, TikTok is really like condensed. So I know for all you newbies out there that are watching, you want me to go in depth, so I will. Just let me know. But yeah, but for stickers, you're just gonna need the laminating sheets and the sticker paper, your printer, and your die cutting machine. So let's go do that.
The first step you're gonna wanna do is open up Design Space, then get the square shape, and you're gonna wanna unlock it and put in the dimensions of 6.75 by 9.25. This is gonna act as your sheet of paper or your backdrop for your stickers, and do not forget to lock this so that it does not move around. And after this step, you want to go ahead and upload your images or your stickers, and you can pick however many you would like. So I'm going to go ahead and pick the Dunkin' Donuts, the frappe, and the pink drink. I got to go to view all, and it is going to be right there. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and upload these. And after this step, you could just go ahead and mess with the sizing, make them big or small. You just want to make sure that they fit inside of this sheet of paper that we created. You can duplicate them, rotate them, however you would like it to look. Just make sure that you leave enough space in between each sticker so that the Cricut doesn't cut into the other sticker. If for some reason the backdrop is in front of your stickers, press send to back so that your stickers can come forward. After this step, you want to go ahead and hide the backdrop that we created because you don't need it. Okay, and then you want to group them together and you want to press flatten. Flatten is the key here. It's at the bottom right there. And you want to make sure that you press that so that you could have your stickers all be together and not ungrouped. And then from there, you are going to have it look like this. It should look just like this. This is what's going to print out on your printer. You do not need to mirror this. The square around it is so that the Cricut knows what to read, what is cutting inside of the box. So from there, you want to go ahead and press continue. And then you can turn on your bleed or use dialogue to then mess with your settings and preferences. Remember, high quality. It is a matte sticker paper. So that's what I print under. And yeah, all right, let's get into the next step. The second step here is going to be to place your laminating sheet on top of your stickers. But before you can do so, you do need to mark it up so that you can cut it to size, because the Cricut cannot read the markings if the laminating sheet is on top. So you want to go ahead and stay in the box. Keyword this whole video is stay inside of the box. This does not need to be perfect. I usually just like put it on top of my sheet and you can just kind of see your stickers behind it, and I just mark it up a little bit to just keep it inside of the black lines. So now I'm just going to go ahead and cut it up and place it on top of my stickers. If you do happen to get bubbles, just go ahead and squeeze them out with your squeegee and try to get them all out. See, no air bubbles. And my squeegee is from Tech Wrap, and I did use my weeding tool to peel back the laminate sheet. Okay, after this, you want to go ahead and press heavy cardstock on your custom settings. This is the setting that works for me. It cuts all the way through, and put your pressure on more. The last and final step is to go ahead and get your scraper tool and slowly pick the stickers off of the mat without peeling the backing off. And after you gather them all up, you can just go ahead and put them inside of your cellophane bag and put however many you like. I put 3, sometimes I put 2 depending on how big they are. Then you close it up and add your thank you sticker.
Alright guys, so that's the end of this tutorial. I hope that you made some awesome stickers for your customers. If you have any more questions, please comment them down below. And if you want to subscribe to this channel, I'm going to be coming out with more content. Tomorrow I'm actually coming out with a vlog, nighttime routine type of thing where I show you guys how I work in the nighttime with my small business and take care of my 2 little kiddos. So if you want to stay subscribed, that would be great. Alright guys, don't forget to check out my social media and see you guys next time. Bye!